Hi lovely people, I'm Kanak and you're watching your favorite cooking channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you a very common and famous South Indian breakfast cuisine, that is Upma. First boil 2 cups of water in a container and keep aside. Now in a pan, heat oil and add mustard seeds. When you hear the crackling sound of mustard seeds, it means they are getting fried, and now add the cumin seeds along with the chana dal and urad dal. Fry them until they start to brown a little. Now add cashews, and by the time cashews get brown, the dals would also get brown nicely. Once you see they are all nice brown in color, now add onions and fry them until they become transparent. Next up, add the green chilies, ginger and curry leaves and fry them for around a minute. Now add the semolina and saute it on very low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes until it is very nicely roasted and you get nice aroma of the semolina. And when you see it has nicely roasted, now add the pre-boiled water on the semolina and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Also add salt and sugar and keep stirring it so that no lumps are formed. The semolina will absorb most of the water and begin to cook. If the mixture looks very dry, add some more water to it. Reduce the flame and simmer the upma for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring it so that no lumps are formed and doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now when you see my upma is ready, now I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ghee on top and finally garnish with some coriander and some slices of lemon. And my lovely upma is ready. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked and it's perfect for any kind of light cravings in the evening. So you also try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below, and share your experiences in the comment section. I really enjoy replying to your feedbacks. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.